SEO course with AI. So friends, as you already know that the team of the Marketing Fundas has brought a very special SEO course in 2025, and in this course we are teaching you SEO. And in it we're teaching you on-page, off-page, backlinks, technical SEO. Basically we're teaching you almost everything. But by using these AI tools, how you can really improve your work's quality and also increase your productivity. Along with that, you're saving your time and you can earn more money as well. So you can do all these things with the help of AI tools. And also this is a very smart way to do the work in today's date. This also leads to more income, your work becomes faster, and it also increases the accuracy as well. And the work of research and content will become much more easy and simple. So today, we are going to teach you how exactly you can use a free AI tool to write the content for your on-page SEO, because when we do on-page SEO work, right, we definitely need content like for meta tags, meta titles, like that. Besides that, we also need to get some short pieces of descriptions for the page. Along with that, we have to create robots.txt file, and there are many areas where AI tools are used. So I am going to teach you some examples practically so that you can use these same methods in the exact same way and you can properly do your on-page SEO, and you can do on-page for many websites in less time. So let's learn. Now, as you can see right here on my computer screen. So see here, I have opened the ChatGPT for you. Now for my website, I need one normal meta title to be written. So now I will come here. Let's say that here I have marketingfundas.com. So the main website is marketingfundas.com. But I have created this website of .co.in just to teach you all, so that we can practice properly and effectively. Now you can clearly see that I have opened the website, and here my ChatGPT is also open. Now I need a specific web page, means I need to create a new page on my website, and for that page I need to write one meta title. So now just see how I will get it done. Now look here guys, I have already written a prompt. Okay, I am writing a post for the topic meta ad service in Delhi. I am creating a page on my website and putting up this post or blog. That meta ad service in Delhi will be its main title. Now related to that, I need a meta title of about 50 to 60 characters. Now here I will click OK. So basically it will write it for me. Now let's see what result it gives me. It says top meta ad service in Delhi. Boost your online presence. Now I want to regenerate this a bit further. So I will regenerate it. Okay. So I'll copy and keep one example, and then it will give me some other examples. So in this way, we will get new ideas and we will get many options, and then we will use the one that we find is the best, or if we need to modify something, then we can do that as well. And here I could have asked for 5 more options of the meta title, or maybe give me 10 more options for it. It is completely our choice what we want from it. Now have you understood? Now if I tell you what else we can do practically, but just before that let me tell you this. If you really want to learn AI prompt engineering in great depth, right from the very basics, from all the fundamentals to the practical and the advanced level, then on our channel there's this entire course available for this. And it is a full 28-hour AI course. Okay, and otherwise you can normally just type on YouTube and search there Artificial Intelligence course or AI course by Marketing Fundas, and you'll easily find it. And you can subscribe and press the bell icon, because on our channel the brand new course of AI tools keep coming, and many technology and high demanded skills courses are regularly added, so you don't miss out on anything. Now I will do this exact same thing for meta description. I've copied this prompt. I'll go there and paste it, or I will just simply do one more small thing, because I need a meta description. So here instead of meta title I will just put meta description. I put description and I'll put characters between 150 to 160, alright? And here I'll write, give me 5 options. So let's see now. what results it will give. So now it has quickly given 5 options. Let's see them. Discover premier meta ad service in Delhi to elevate your brand, boost your business online. So it has given 5 options for the meta description. So whichever I'll find better, I'll use. If I need to make changes, then I'll do it quickly. Now imagine if a person will write all these 5 options, then he will think and do research. So it would take half hour or maybe 1 hour. Now it depends on the capacity of the person, how good he is in English and how much experience he has. But here it did entire work in few seconds, and even if I have to make changes, that's just a few minute work. So how many hours are we actually saving? And if we think on huge level, so we can save a lot of days and years. Now it has done this entire thing in a simple way. Now I will write a prompt here and then I'll enter it. That's how we can get a proper robot.txt file made for our own website. Okay, now look carefully. Here I have entered this prompt, generate robots.txt file for my website, and there I've put the URL of my website, the dummy website that I've created. So let's just do it. Now look here, it has very quickly taken all the pages and everything on my website and created the complete robots.txt file, right? Now I can easily use this file. I can use it on this site. See how very easy it has made it. You can even get a sitemap instantly. And we already know AI can do the coding as well. So in this particular way, you can now do all sorts of on-page tasks, whether it's big or small, with the help of these AI tools. But how will you achieve mastery in this? It's as you learn and practice more and more. The more you practice, the smarter you will become with these tools. And you will be able to get better results from these tools. And I've already told you that it's one of the best in-depth course on YouTube where you can learn different AI tools for free. Besides that, we'll keep bringing new tools like this for you so that you get to know all the new tools, and we will teach you prompt engineering even better and in depth. We will take you to an advanced level even in that course. So I hope that you will be able to create content for on-page with help of AI tool. Thank you.